Hi friends, I am Krishna Prasad Gangaraju, having 25 years experience in mathematics. Today I am going to teach 1.1 exercise real numbers in 9th class. Okay. The first question is, write any 3 rational numbers. We have to write 3 rational numbers. So, the 3 rational numbers are, we have to write 3 rational. What is rational number? It is a fraction or integer or whole number, whatever it may be. So I will write fractions 3 by 7, 9 by 11 and 7 by 1. So these are the 3 rational numbers. So second question, explain rational number in your own words. You have to explain rational number in your own words. So what is the meaning of rational number? Rational number is a fraction in the form of p by q. Rational number is in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0. So a rational number is in the form of p by q, comma, q not equal to 0. So second question, give one example each to the following statements. You have to give an example for given following statements. So first one, a number which is rational but not an integer. A number which is rational but not integer. You have to say rational number. You have to say rational number, but it is not integer. Integer means it have minus values and plus values. So you have to say rational number but not integer. So you have to simply write fraction. The rational number but not integer is, you can write any fraction, 7 by 8. A whole number which is not a natural number. You have to say whole number, but that number is not a natural number. So already you know natural numbers are begin with 1. Whole numbers are begin with 0. If you write 0, that belongs to whole number and not belongs to natural number. He is asking also same. So a whole number which is not natural number is 0. Next, an integer which is not a whole number. You have to say an integer, but it is not a whole number. What is the meaning of whole number? The whole numbers are begin with 0. What about integer? Integers are all numbers, negative numbers, positive numbers, including 0. So you don't say 0 and above numbers. You can say any negative number. So an integer which is not a whole number is, you can say any negative number, -7. -7 is not a whole number. So a number which is natural number, whole number, integer and a rational number. So what is a number which is natural number, whole number, integer and a rational number. So we have to write a number such that that number belongs to all these things. So that is a number which is natural number, whole number, integer, and rational number is, you are writing number that should belongs to all the numbers. So that is, you have to write any positive number, any positive number. So I am writing 9. You can write 9, 8, 10, 11, 100, 1 lakh also you can write. Okay. The last one, a number which is an integer but not a natural number. You have to write an integer that should not belongs to a natural number. So a number which is an integer but not a natural number is, what you have to say, but not a natural number. So don't say positive numbers. You can say any negative number including 0. 0 also not belongs to natural number. You can say any number. So I am writing -8. So is -8. A number which is an integer but not a natural number is -8. Next, third question. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. You have to write 5 numbers between 1 and 2. So here 1 and 2, no gap is there. We have to insert 5 numbers between them. So by adding 6 to, we have to add 5 numbers, means we have to multiply this number and this number with 6. Multiply and divide with 1 this number, and also 2 also multiply and divide with 6. Then see what happened. So multiply and divide 1 and 2 with 6. So 1 into 6 by 6 and 2 into 6 by 6. 1 6 are 6 by 6 and 2 6 are 12 by 6. Here denominator is same. So we can say simply directly 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the 5 rational numbers between 6 by 6 and 12 by 6 are, so 6 by 6 means rational number, 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6. How many came? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12 by 6. So, therefore, final step. The 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2 are 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6 and 11 by 6. So this is the answer. Here he is asking only 5 numbers. So I am multiply with 6 and multiply and divide with 6. We can multiply with 10 also, 15 also, 8 also. You can multiply greater than 5. It's any number. He is asking for 5 irrational number between 1 and 2. Between 1, that number should be between 1 and 2 only. He is asking. He is not asking middle number or 1/4 number, not like that. So you can multiply and divide with any number greater than 5. Okay, you can multiply with 10 by 10 means, if you multiply 10 by 10 means 1 into 10 by 10 and 2 into 10 by 10. 1 tens are 10 by 10, 2 tens are 20 by 10. So you can write any numbers between them. You can write any numbers between them. Next number is 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10, 14 by 10. You can write 9 to 10 numbers. But he is asking only 5. So you can write any 5 numbers between them. So no need to by-head the question. You have to by-head the concept. Okay? Next question, fourth one. Insert 3 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. So before question, only the integers are given, but here fractions are given. So we have to insert 3 numbers, 3 rational numbers between them. So what is the procedure? To insert the numbers, the denominator must be generally here giving only 3 numbers. If the number insert numbers is not 3, more than 5 or 6 means, then we can take LCM for the denominator. LCM for denominator. Okay? But here only 3 numbers he is asking. For 3 numbers means, first I will find the number between these two. Between these two means the middle number, means average number. So the average number of 2 by 3 and 3 by 5, first I will find. After that I will find the average number of 2 by 3 and that coming number. Like this I will find 3 numbers. So first one, the number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 5 is average of these numbers. Average of these numbers. So that is equal to, average means by adding those two and divide with 2. So 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 by 2. Here 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9, 3 into 5. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 3s are 9 by 3 into 5, 15 into 2. That is equal to 19 by 30. So number this 19 by 30 is middle number, exactly middle number, exactly middle number. So the number, rational number lies between 2 by 3 and 19 by 30 is equal to 2 by 3 plus 19 by 30 by 2. Next, here 3, 30, LCM is 30. LCM is 30. 3 is 10 times, 3 tens are 30. 10 into 2, 10 2s are 20. 30 the ones are 30. So 1 into 19 into 2. So that is equal to 39 by 60. So this number is between 2 by 3 and 19 by 30. 2 by 3 and 19 by 30. So the third number between 2 2 by 3 and 13 by 60. No need to write third number. The rational number between 2 by 3 and 13 by 60. That is equal to 2 by 3 plus 39 by 60 by 2. That is equal to, here 360. LCM is 60. 3 20s, 22s, 40, 60 ones are 60. 1 into 39, 39 by 2. That is equal to 40 plus 39, 79 by this 2 into 60. This 2 will be here. So 60 into 20, 120. So 3 numbers are came. First number is 19 by 30. Second number is 39 by 60. And third number is 79 by 120. Therefore, final step. The 3 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 5 are what are they? First one 19 by 30, second one 39 by 60, and the last one 79 by 120. So these are the 3 rational numbers between them. So this is the answer. If you like my teaching, then subscribe the channel and share to your friends this video. Okay, thank you.